we are looking at how to pronounce the German umlaut with the letter A. So that's your letter A with two dots on top of it, a very characteristic symbol and sound from German. We'll be looking at how to say more the other two letters that can have an umlaut on them. So that's the letter U and the letter O. But how do you say the umlaut in German on the letter A? The letter A is otherwise pronounced as A. With an umlaut, the pronunciation becomes E. E. It's rather easy once you know E is how to pronounce the letter A or A with an umlaut. Remember, E. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.